Hey everybody, Garrett Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at a good setup we had in the ES today. You can see in the overnight, the ES actually dropped, and we were making lower highs, lower lows on the 30-minute chart, and then we reversed. We came up here and actually made a higher high. We broke above this previous pivot high back here, put in a higher high, and then came in and put in a higher low, and then continued to the upside. 5 and 13 crossed to the upside right there, stayed to the upside. Lots of resistance at the 50 EMA, which we know is very often the case. Broke above the 50, got a couple closes, struggled with the 200, and then ultimately broke out above the 200. But the trade that we were trading was this bull flag right here on the 30-minute chart. This triggered, and the ES made a really nice push to the upside off of that. And the way we were actually trading that bull flag was off of the Unirenko chart. That bull flag actually triggered right here. And you can see on the Unirenko chart we had changed trend. We were making higher highs, higher lows, and we were in an uptrend, price above the cloud, above the smooth 50, 50 SMA above all of it, 34 above the 50, and the 18 above the 34. We had a nice slow line zero touch, which is the slow line on MQ momentum right there. And you can see we came down here, made a nice momentum reset, painted the cyan line on the MZT indicator, and then proceeded to make a nice trade to the upside. So we caught a really nice move in the ES to the upside. And then, like I said, the ES just kind of continued to work its way higher. This was before the FOMC announcement. Really weren't trading that because it was lunchtime and the announcement was looming. However, you could see stocks were just really bullish today because even in the lead up to the FOMC minutes, the stocks continued to push higher. Then FOMC drove them higher. We had a little pullback and then ultimately pushed higher yet again. So FOMC comments were pretty dovish overall. The minutes, they didn't really change anything, which we weren't anticipating. They left interest rates alone, basically said that they weren't going to raise them anytime soon. They had no intentions of taking it to negative interest rates. So nothing really changed. Again, the comments were pretty similar to what they've been. Things are bad, but we're using everything in our arsenal to help make things better. And then in the press conference was real dovish also. Powell was making very dovish comments, and stocks like hearing that. So stocks pushed higher today. But again, nice 30-minute bull flag trigger on the ES, took the slow line zero touch on our Unirenko chart, and that was good for a nice push to the upside. That bar triggered at 32.25, and we're able to take this. Actually had targets up there at 32.37, so $700 per contract. It continued to push higher, even above target, but initial target was up at 32.37. Hit our initial target again, $700 per contract. Trading the ES today.